Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna start off strong. We're gonna be doing a full face of favorites today. These are the products that have had me in a chokehold, okay? I keep finding myself reaching back for these products, so decided to share them with you guys. Starting off strong with the Dr. Brandt primer and then moving on to the Nicolah Perfection multi-use concealer. I discovered these bad boys by accident one year on vacation from Miami Carnival. And let me just say, the finish just gives skin-like and dewy, and I love that. Going in with the darker shade to conceal, but not blending it out just quite yet. We're gonna add in the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Tint. This formulation has just been my favorite Your Skin But Better. So now that all that is laid down, we're gonna start off and actually blend out the foundation, quote unquote, first. I'm gonna use a stippling brush and just feather that out without interrupting the other shades just yet. Moving on to concealer, the lighter shade. I'm going to buffer that in with my usual brush. Really working that in and feathering out the edges. And my nose. I'm gonna grab my contour brush and start working in on my chin. I really like to have that feathered look at the bottom there to really emphasize my jawline. And then blending out my temples and then the hollows of my cheeks. So now I'm going back in with the foundation brush and going over the areas where the products meet, just to give a more ombre blended look, and then blending out that nose contour for a final shebang. Feathering out the inner center part of the concealer we didn't blend in before, and then bringing that product down to my neck. I'm gonna set everything with my Ofra pressed banana powder. I just love the finish of this powder. I feel like it gives matte, I feel like it gives finish, stapled, in place. She ain't going nowhere. And the wear on this is just lovely. I get minimal creasing with this, so I just love it. I'm just setting my brows in place. So now we're gonna set for our lashes. I'm using the Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. I like this for the wand. It really gets into my naked mole rat of lashes and just really blends them out. For blush, I'm using the Tarte Breezy Cream Blush. I really like the formulation of this blush, especially. I think it just sits so nicely on top of any product. To melt everything together, I'm using the TYS Beauty Final Treat Setting Spray. Just gonna douse my face in this really, really good to set and blend and melt everything. I'm overlining my lips with the Nicolah Bold Lip Liner. This is an oldie but a goodie. I'm forever gonna be addicted to this lip liner. Let's not even get into it. And for the center, I'm using my NYX Butter Gloss. The formulation on this is just unmatched. Unmatched for us gloss lovers. Now for highlight, I'm using the Jekka Black Play Pot. This is a newbie and I am just addicted to this product. The camera did not do it justice. It has the most beautiful reflections and glitter tones. I just love it. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this face of favorites, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.